Hey guys, brand new 2026 Forest River Rockwood Signature Edition 371 RK. New cabinets, new accents, some new colors, great couples floor plan. The rear kitchen really gives you 3 distinct separate rooms, king size bed, washer dryer prep. We did the slide toppers. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. All right, stand at the entry door looking in. You see your opposing slides in the living area. New fabric on the sofa and love seat. Theater seating. Nice rear kitchen setup. Standing at the back looking forward. Got the side hallway up into the master bedroom. That's where we'll start. King size bed, the dark accent wall. New wall here on the side with the hanging spots. Overhead storage. Reading lights with charging areas on either side with your tables. Storage underneath. You can see the nice aluminum framing, 2 shocks. Overhead. And your closet with the motion sensor light. Hanging storage. Drawers down low. Make sure these are locked for travel. Got lighting. You are prepped for washer dryer. Just remove the shelves. You're all set up there. Or remove the shelves and you got hanging storage. Fire escape window. Your standard window. Blackout roller shades. TV's already mounted. You've got deeper drawers down low. Linoleum, easy to clean throughout. There's your fuse panel, circuit breakers. There's your heat duct. So nice master bedroom, second AC. Into the hallway, you've got your light switch here. This is your thermometer. It'll read the temperature here for you. Your side door going into the bathroom. New drain set up, glass enclosed shower. Overhead skylight. I'm 6'5", plenty of headroom. Nice room around the sink. Medicine cabinet with the magnet. Your Maxxair controls and your lighting. Storage. Towel bar and plenty of room around the toilet. And you got a heat duct and an AC duct. You've got your thermostat, assist bar, going down the stairs. You got your WeRV control panel, control your slides, your awning, check your holding tanks, solar controller, and the ceiling fan switch here. Night lights, you got heat duct. Your theater seats have electric footrest, cup holders, storage in the arm with charging, receptacles, magnets to hold those doors shut. All your windows open. You got another fire escape window, and again, the blackout roller shades. You've got opposing sofas that open it up. We'll open those up so you can take a look at that. All right, both trifold sofas opened up. Obviously, love seats smaller, a little larger on this side, but you can still get through and move around. You can store your cushions. Here you got storage, and they're your standard trifold. Sofas with the Velcro. And it's that easy setting them up. Fireplace, TV's on a swivel arm, and you got speaker. Your extension for your table extends out. Chairs are removable, and you got the ottoman now, which got storage underneath. And you can remove this, put one chair on either side, get you 2 more chairs. The cushion comes right off the back. Countertop extension. You got the large sink cover, 2 of them here for the large stainless sink, and the extension for the faucet. All of your receptacles on the counter drop down. Got 3 of them, a charging, 3 burner range, nice large oven, good storage. And that's accessible from the outside. Your touch screen for your tire monitoring system. Your silverware holder, built-in trash can, drawer. Overhead exhaust, your second AC, and new texture, new look on the cabinets, glass front on these. Again, still get the magnets. Large Furrion microwave and storage up top. Your brand new 2026 Forest River Rockwood Signature 371 RK. Work our way outside, take a look out there. You guys, before we head outside, always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. All right, moving to the outside, you see your Kurt Rotoflex 7-pin breakaway cable, spot for your battery disconnect, jacks, got motion sensor light, a little storage area in here, docking lights here, which is your LED light strip. Got slide toppers on all the slide outs. 371's got a dry weight of 10,556 pounds. You got a 30-pound LP bottle on both sides. Side opening compartment doors, and you got your auto leveling. See your framing, heat duct, nice clean storage. Little magnets over there, we'll look when we get to that side. Water filtration, black tank flush, outside shower, and you can feed everything right through the bottom here. Magnets that hold those doors up. You've got your black and gray pull valves. I mentioned the slide toppers, frameless windows. There are those jacks, and your rear, your gray valve with the rear kitchen. That's for your sink and kitchen area. Little storage area here. Nice thick slam latch doors. Storage area in the back, again with magnets and the slam latch. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Got your 2 ACs, roof vent, dual solar panels, TV antenna, skylight, nice clean roof. You're prepped for a backup camera, 50 amp service. You got a receiver on the back. You got a 300-pound hitch rating on that. Access for your ice maker for winterizing, and you got your slam latch. Outside shower, hot and cold. We'll give you a receptacle out here. You got a little side receiver here, 75-pound weight on that. Good for a grill because you got the quick connect. You've got power awning on the face, extending assist handle, another awning with LED lights. Again, pass-through storage, cable TV hookup, lighting. Your other 30 amp, your other 30 pounds LP bottle. Your brand new 2026 Forest River Rockwood signature. It's the 371 RK. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, slide in. You still got access. You can get in here, but you're really not getting into the fridge. So you could have some stuff in here and during travel, and then no issues getting up into the bathroom or the bed.